Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers, I want to say a special thank you for the love and support. And in this video, I will be making a room and linen spray using preservative. Okay, to get started, I want to show you the ingredients I will be using to make this spray. To start off, I want to show you the Polysorbate 20 preservative that I got on Amazon. I have a video that I did recently showing you preservatives that I had purchased and what they're good for, and this one is good for water-based products. Okay, so we'll be using this. Next, my fragrances. So I'm going to start with the essential oil. I have peppermint. I have clean floral fragrance oil, lemongrass essential oil, and tropical green floral fragrance oil. And then for my, so that's my oil mixtures. And for my liquid mixture, I have in here 1.5 cups of distilled water. And I have Perfumers Alcohol. Okay, so let's get started with the mixing. So for my base note, I will be using lemongrass essential oil and tropical green floral. Okay, so I'm gonna be using 30 drops of lemongrass. Bear with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's one down fast. Next, I'm going to be doing 40 drops of tropical green floral. I really want these two scents to be pronounced in this mixture. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alrighty. Put the rest back in there because we're not wasting anything. Next, so that's the base note. Now the middle note will be clean floral, and I'll be using 20 drops of clean floral. And I have pipettes for each of these are pipettes, and I have them for each of the fragrances that I need to use them for, so I don't mix anything so together in their bottles. So again, 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 drops. Man, if you all could smell through this camera, it smells so good, this combination. And the top note, I'll be using peppermint, and that's gonna be 15 drops. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Oh, this is coming out real fast. All right, and now we're gonna mix, get everything incorporated nicely in here. Nice and incorporated. Now, for the preservative. Now, I'm only making this mixture for a 10. This is a 10 ounce. 10 ounce, I don't know if you can see that. That's a 10 ounce spray bottle. So I'm only gonna be using a few drops. If you're making more mixture, more of your, if you're making like batches or something like that, just go according to ratio, so you'll get the right amount of preservative into your mixture. But this mixture, I'm just gonna put about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not making a whole lot of this, so it doesn't require so much. I'm not gonna use a whole lot. So that's that. And then now what you want to do is get in there and mix it real well. Sure everything is nice and even. I'm just using a plastic knife. Whatever utensils you have, feel free to use them. I don't have like all those little fancy things yet, but yeah. Just make sure it's well incorporated. And Polysorbate is good as a solubilizer. It helps to separate. It helps to blend liquid and oil nicely, because we all know that oil and water do not mix. But Polysorbate is good for bringing those ingredients together. And so now I'll put this aside. Put these aside for now. Then we're gonna move on to the liquid portion. So here I have the distilled water. I got my bottle, and I'm gonna add the alcohol. Now for the alcohol, I'm gonna put 20 drops. Oh, here's the pipette I have for alcohol. So 20 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So there that goes. And next, I'm going to mix everything in a spoon. Mix everything together nicely. Okay, and then I'm going to add the fragrance mixture with the preservative in there. Very simple, very easy. Now you want to really mix this. I've seen, you know, some people use like a hand mixture. That's also something else you can use, another tool. I'm just gonna use my spoon and just mix that around. Just get that all well incorporated. And it gives off a white, when you see the way the mixture looks, it has a milky appearance, and that's okay. Some people don't like it like that, would prefer a clearer way of it coming out, but this is just everything, like it emulsifying the polysorbate. So yeah, it's just emulsifying. It's okay, it does that. Yeah, all right. So this fragrance has a lemony zest to it, which I've been into lately. So got that little lemon zest. So now time for the pour. Here we go. We're gonna pour. Oh, okay, camera focus, focus that. All right, perfect amount for the 10-ounce bottle. Okay, so here we go. Let me grab something to wipe this down because this will be very messy. But there we have it, as you can see. Hopefully the camera's showing, but it has this sort of milky, see it in there? It's okay. You know, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with the mixture, just fine. So, put that in there. I'm gonna test it out and spray. See how it goes. Alright, let's test it out. Oh my. It smells really nice. Yes. Oh man. You all have to try it. It has a very strong lemony zest to it. So, like a lemon. And that's because of the base. You know, whatever you use as your base or your middle note, just know that it's gonna be pronounced. It's gonna shine forth in your mixture a whole lot more than the top note, you know, because the top note is the portion of the mixture that appears temporarily and it dissipates, and then the base notes and the middle notes are the most pronounced in your mixture. So whichever fragrance that you want to linger, you know, is what you're going to smell in the when you're done with your final product. You're gonna smell that more. So just be mindful of when you're making your choices as to which fragrances or essential oils you want to use, you know, with each note category that you choose. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share if you like the content, and subscribe also if you're interested, and leave some questions down below for me of anything you wanted to know that I didn't cover in this video. And so yeah, thank you so much, and please tune in to the other videos that I have on this channel. If you're interested in perfume making, I have some videos on that. If you're interested in things about natural hair care, I have some videos on that. I did a video of a how to do a hair growth oil if you struggle with postpartum shedding or any type of excessive shedding that you want to get control of. I have made an oil I have an oil video, hair oil video, and yeah, that recipe is working for me really well, and I shared that with you all, so hopefully somebody out there will find that useful. And I also have some other DIY cleaning products and just so many other things, you know, that I have here on this channel. But once again, thank you, and see you in my next video. And remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. Later.